Okay, so Ari, today we're going to work on the terminology cards of parts of the flower. Can we start?
Sure. Yes.
Okay, so do you know what this is?
It's a flower.
Do you know what the function of a flower
The
is?
flower is being used to create seeds.
Okay, so all plants have flowers.
Yeah.
And like you said, these flowers will produce seeds, and that's how plants can make other plants. Can you keep this card at the top? This red highlighted part,
It's
do you
a
know what
stamen.
okay, and do you know what a stamen is?
Yes. I think it's part of the reproductive system, and we can consider it as male.
Okay, so the stamen is the male reproductive system of a flower, and at the top of the stamen there's pollen.
There's pollen.
Can you keep this card at the top?
Sure.
How about this part? Do you know what this red highlighted part is?
It is pistil.
Okay, and do you know what a pistil is?
Yes, it is a female reproductive part of the flower.
Okay, so the pollen from the stamen will, when it's on top of the pistil or it's on the pistil, that's when the seeds start to become seeds.
Okay.
Can you keep it at the top? How about this red highlighted part? Do you know what this is called?
It's calyx.
And do you know what a calyx is?
Calyx is... I don't know the function.
Okay,
It's
so the calyx protects the petals before the flower blooms. So it's usually covered in a calyx, and the calyx will protect it until it's ready to bloom. Can you keep this card at the top?
Yep. So protection. Calyx the protector.
And what about this, the red that's highlighted red? Do you know what those are?
It's petals.
Okay, so petals are part of the flower that's very colorful.
Yep.
They can come in various types of colors, and their function is to attract insects,
Okay.
so that the insects will get the pollen, and the pollen can be attached to the pistil. Can you keep this card at the top?
Sure.
Okay, how about this red highlighted part? Do you know what it is?
It's sepals.
Okay, do you know what a sepal is?
I don't know.
Okay, so sepals are part of the calyx, and they also function to protect the petals before they bloom.
So what's the difference?
It's the edge, it's the top of the calyx, and the calyx is the lower pod.
Okay, sepals.
Can you keep it at the top? Okay, Ari, I'm going to give you a set of pictures, and can you match these pictures with the pictures that are already on the map?
Sure. Stamen, right? Calyx, petals, flower, and sepals and pistils.
Okay, so Ari, today we've learned about parts of the flower using the terminology cards. Let's go over our work together.
It's flower, stamen, pistil, calyx, petals, and sepals.
Okay, so these materials are on the shelf, and there are many other types of terminology cards of parts of the plant. Would you like to help me tidy up?
Sure.